Have you ever uploaded a photo to ChatGPT and wondered, how does it know that's a plant? Or how it can read text from an image, explain a chart, or even identify objects in a photograph? The strange part is, AI doesn't actually see images the way humans do. So what is happening behind the scenes? Let's find out. When you look at a picture of a cat, your brain instantly recognizes it. But for a computer, a cat image is nothing more than millions of tiny colored dots. No fur, no whiskers, no cat, just numbers. So how does AI transform those numbers into meaningful information? Every digital image is made up of pixels. Each pixel stores color information using numbers. For example, a single pixel might be represented as 255 red, 128 green, 64 blue. Now imagine millions of these pixels packed together. To us, it's a beautiful photograph. To an AI model, it's just a giant spreadsheet of numbers. The first challenge is converting this ocean of numbers into something meaningful. This is where a vision model comes in. Instead of looking at every pixel individually, it searches for patterns. First, it learns simple things: lines, edges, colors. Then more complex patterns: eyes, wheels, leaves, faces, and eventually entire objects. Over millions of training examples, the model learns that certain combinations of shapes and patterns often represent a cat, a tree, a car, or a human face. But here's the clever part. The AI doesn't keep the entire image in memory. Instead, it creates a compact mathematical summary called an embedding. Think of it like a highly compressed description of what matters in the image. Instead of storing millions of pixels, it stores information like contains an animal, has 4 legs, appears indoors, looks similar to known cats. Not in words, of course, but in numbers. Lots and lots of numbers. Now comes the magic. The image embedding is passed to the same language model that powers AI chatbots. The process looks something like this: image, vision model, image embedding, language model, response. So when you ask, "What's wrong with this plant?" the chatbot isn't looking at the image directly. It's analyzing the image representation and combining it with everything it knows about plants. The result feels like a conversation about a picture, but underneath, it's really a conversation about numbers. What about screenshots, documents, or receipts? Modern AI systems can also recognize text inside images. This process is similar to OCR, or optical character recognition. The model identifies letters and words, extracts them, and then reasons about their meaning. That's why you can upload a bill, a restaurant menu, a handwritten note, a presentation slide, and ask questions about the content. The secret is training. Modern AI systems are trained on enormous collections of image-text pairs. Photos with captions, diagrams with explanations, charts with descriptions, documents with annotations. By seeing billions of examples, the model gradually learns which visual patterns correspond to which concepts. That's how it develops an understanding of the visual world. But AI vision isn't perfect. It can still miss tiny details, misread text, confuse unusual objects, draw incorrect conclusions. Because it isn't truly seeing or understanding the world like a human, it's making incredibly sophisticated predictions based on patterns it has learned. Most of the time, those predictions are impressive, but sometimes they're wrong. So the next time you upload an image to ChatGPT or another AI assistant, remember, the AI doesn't see the image the way you do. It converts pixels into mathematical representations, learns patterns, and combines that information with language understanding. And somehow, from millions of colored dots, it creates a conversation. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of how AI actually works. And let me know in the comments, what AI topic should we explore next?